That's good. I can drive my car.
There's still puddles everywhere.
I know, we gotta be careful. Yellow DRLs? It's always fun to run into other BMW people. I love it. The BMW community is hella strong, guys. I'm telling you. Damn. Those icons, though. Anyways, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Anyways, right now we're gonna go photo shoot because I need photos. I need to update my Instagram profile picture and stuff like that. I like, once in a while, I like to, you know, post myself. I don't want to just always keep posting my car. So I always like to take photos of myself and, you know, post them up on the gram, you know. But anyways, right now we're gonna go photo shoot, and then we might stop by Daniel's. I think Nick is gonna be getting a new mod on his F80, another new mod. As you guys recently seen in the videos, he got the underglow, he got the headlights, and he's just all over me. He's passing me up on the mods, guys. He rich, bro. I'm telling you guys, he's rich. Anyways, we're gonna go photo shoot at this dope little spot that I know. Pretty cool, I've shot there before. And then we might slide through to Daniel's. I think we might meet up with the homie Chris and Nikon. And I think also the homie Chris is gonna be getting a new mod on his F80 as well. So actually, he did a couple of mods recently to his F80 that we didn't get to vlog yet, so we're gonna vlog that hopefully today and check out what he did to his F80 recently. So like I said, right now we're gonna go photo shoot, and then we're gonna pull up to Daniel's and then see what's good for the day. So hope you guys subscribe to the channel, guys. My goal for 2024, I want to hit 100,000 subs. I gotta hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, so let's go. And don't worry, guys, I already placed the order on the tires. They should be here pretty soon. It's been raining like crazy here in LA for like the past 3-4 days, so I haven't driven the M4 at all, and today is the first day that I'm pulling it out, so we just got to be careful. Should we get those headlights, guys? What do you guys think? They look sick, honestly. Makes the car look way newer. Hey, should I get those headlights you have? They're pretty sick, honestly. If you want to trade them down. His F80 looks really, really good. I swear, you can't see anything.
What if they don't work though?
You went all probably under like puddles and shit, and it got all messed up. Damn, look at that. F80. He's got the reindeer nose. He got the ashes clean. If you guys didn't know, I had an F80 just like that. Comp too. And he's got the icons. Rich. All right, guys, we made it to the spot where I want to shoot at. I've shot here before a bunch of times before the whole spot got burnt out and everybody and their mamas came to shoot here at this spot. But I'm gonna have Nick take some flicks of me. I think probably like maybe with this angle right here. I think this will be pretty sick, and we get like this background here. And then I think that should be pretty cool. But I haven't taken photos of the M4 here. I've taken photos of the E92 here, but not of the M4. So it'll be pretty cool. It's a really chill spot. It's just gets kind of flooded. Sometimes cars pass by and stuff like that. So what's up, G? As you can see, we're shooting. The good thing is, well, it's kind of raining now, but I think after we're gonna stop by Daniel's. Are you gonna do the new mod?
Maybe.
You have to, bro. We'll be twinning. Do you not realize we will be twinning, bro? But yeah, guys, so we just finished shooting. It's starting to rain now. But this time, I busted out the 35 1.2 Sigma. In the last photo shoot that I had with Beamer Fan, we were using the 2470 G Master version 2, but now we got the big dog. This shit is heavy, guys. I'm telling you, this 35 1.2, that shit's insane, bro. Alrighty, guys. Look what we parked in front of. The homies. But we're gonna get some breakfast here at Ann Waffles, and then we're gonna slide over to Daniel's house. Damn, this is so fire, bro. Thank you. Burrito. You already know we gotta dump the scissor on that. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, breakfast was over. We got our late breakfast in, and you can see we're here at Daniel's house. We got Nikon with the frozen white MA Grand Coupe, and then we got Chris, who's doing the OLED style taillights. So we're gonna check that out. It's gonna look sick as fuck on his car. Red on red is gonna be dope. Damn. Big difference. Telling Nick he's gotta do this. Dog, you're slacking hard. These are sick.
Chris is also doing the taillight.
That shit looks dope. Let me see. Oh my. Damn, bro, what a big difference. What a big difference. Honestly, that shit looks way harder, bro.
What? Say it.
You have Ficons.
Bro.
Bro, that shit is sick. On your color, it's gonna look dope. Dark color looks sick.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's sick. Fire. OLED's on that mate, G. Do they have it?
No.
If they did, would you do it?
Nah, I don't know. Putting no full lens on that, man. Tripping.
OEMs. OE, guys. I think you pay like 8 grand for these. Camera's never gonna stop
He
rolling.
has daily content.
This is the camera's never gonna stop. Hey, Nick, you should put this wing, G. That should look crazy on the F80. He does this wing. Should look sick.
This one, G. Chris is fucking
What happened to this wing, G?
Put it on.
Who's this at, Chris?
I don't know.
All right, guys. Serious question: should we do these headlights or not? I don't know if I would go with the aftermarket ones or if I should just go with the OEM ones. Most likely the OEM, just because the OEMs, you know, I'm an OEM type of guy, but these look so freaking good for being aftermarket. Big shout out to West Coast Euros. They're the ones that provided these lights for Nick. So I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Damn, the M4 is so dirty from this rain. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. It is so freaking dirty. Sheesh, this car needs a wash. ASAP. But yeah, what do you guys think? Should we do those headlights on the M4 GTS? I think it looked pretty sick. The only thing is though, with those headlights, guys, is that you cannot run the yellow DRLs. So if I do get the headlights like Nick, they're just gonna stay the white color. But if I go with the OEM, then I can switch it to the yellow DRLs, or I would do the amber ones, which would be orange, so it'd kind of be matching the GTS lip and, you know, the cage and the wheels and stuff like that. So, and also, I know you guys seen in Nick's vlog, he did the underglow as well. How do you guys feel about the underglow? Would it be weird on the GTS? I think if I were to do the underglow, I would only leave it on the orange color, because there's like an orange one that kind of matches the GTS and the E92. But I don't know, man. I have mixed feelings about underglow. I don't know, there's just something about putting the underglow on a GTS. It's like the same thing that we talked about earlier, like doing the stars up on the roof. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it, but for sure I do like the Alcantara headliner and the headlights. I think that'd probably be like one of the biggest things, but I don't know. Comment down below, let me know. I always listen to your guys' comments, so let's go back inside. I think the homie Nikon with the M8, he's gonna be doing the stars and the ceiling on this car, because this car already comes with Alcantara headliner. So all right, guys, the other homie pulled up, Louis, and he also has the headlights like Nick, you see. So 2 people that we know now are running the headlights like that, and he's got Alcantara headliner with stars up in the roof as well. So we got the homie Sam with his M4 CS looking hella clean with CCB, super low mileage, and we got the homie Brandon with his M4 CS lime rock gray, super clean. He's running the yellow DRLs as well. I think Sam is running just a regular color, the white. Then we got the homie Noe with the chrome. E92 M3 supercharged by VF Engineering. It is super clean. The perfect car to take selfies with. But I think all of us right now, we're about to go to the BMW dealership, because the homie Louis, like I said, one that's M4, he's looking at a G82 that we just found online. Crazy individual spec G82, frozen purple with white bucket seats, laser headlights, crazy spec. So we're gonna go over there and check it out. We're gonna go to the BMW dealership. All of us were about to go over there, and we're gonna check out this G82. Hopefully he cops it. It's crazy, look at that. GTS strap, Chris.
Hey, this
GTS strap, bro.
all over E92.
100%, bro.
I've always wanted to supercharger.
Look at that, guys.
It's so sick.
Beautiful.
Damn, bro, everything's changed out, huh? Like all that shit's not stuff.
You guys, these are the headlights that I'm talking about. They look just like OEM, guys. Alrighty, guys. Well, we have made it to the BMW dealership, and we're gonna go see this individual G82 that they're talking about. So let's go inside and check it out. They got the brand new X5M frozen black with the red interior. Hard. They got the MA Grand Coupe. Sheesh. With CCBs, rich. Bucket seats. It's pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty hard. But this is the one that the homie Louis is looking at. Frozen purple with the white buckets inside. As you guys can see, one of the craziest specs I have ever seen on this car. What's up, bro? Good, how are you?
Good.
That's just fire, bro.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. This one is sick. Frozen white X6M. This color's sick. This is a nice X5. With red interior, Noe. With the red interior, G. It's just fire. How do you guys feel about these headlights, though? I still kind of like the front end on yours better. The headlights are a little bit off and the grill and stuff like that. On frozen white, G.
Damn.
This shit is sick. Oh my, I wouldn't even mind taking this. And it's got, oh my God, and it's got the red interior. That's fire. Yo, low key, I'll fuck with this one, bro. Frozen white with the red interior.
Bro, everything's frozen now.
Bro, they ordered the craziest specs here. Yo, congrats, Louis.
The new iDrive
2024 big screen. You get that full screen. Damn. That shit is nice, bro. I would take this, honestly, I think over the years.
You're tripping.
This shit, bro, what do you mean trip? Bro, look at
like
this.
a fucking, like,
Look at the
Jeep or
fucking, look at the, bro, crystal on the fucking door handle. You tripping, dog.
I just like the ceiling. Ceiling's my favorite. Look at that shit.
Bro,
Bro, the interior is the best.
tripping, dog. This shit is fire.
The interior on this car is insane. Ooh.
It's got all the red accents on the wheels. You guys see that? Wow. Damn.
It's 5 over. It's 5 over, and it'll be 19 monthly. But I'm not looking to do 15K down.
Yeah.
I'm looking to do like 40, 50.
Yeah.
But
On a lease. This is lease.
This is lease. And on this, it's pretty much the same fucking shit if I'm buying leasing the car, bro.
72 months. You're at 19. Yeah, same thing as
Shit, bro.
there.
Might as well buy the fucking car.
That's what I'm saying. You're better off financing.
Bro, I don't trust Chris working on my car.
Why not? Chris is good, bro.
I just need lights.
What the fuck?
The spider's in there.
Hey, what the fuck? I'm gonna charge you $50 more now, G.
Oh!
Bro,
What was it?
Spider eggs, bro.
Bro. And he controls it with the phone, guys. Check that out. Look at that. Look at all the modes you can do in this.
My favorite is this right here.
Oh yeah, good luck, G. Good luck. That's crazy. Let me see this. 200 modes, guys. That is crazy. Look at that. But I think my favorite one, honestly, is gonna be right there. Sheesh, the Lime Rock, G. Oh, that's Nick's favorite right there. Right there, G.
West Hollywood style.
I thought it was Kevin.
What's up, G?
What up, man? How are you?
Damn.
What's up, G?
What's up? I did your house. Wait, so you remember me? Of course.
He's gonna start drifting.
Finding drifting? Rich.
Rich activities at Daniel Lamb Life.
Oh, that's why. Watch out. You have to make sure.
Looks sick though so far. Wow.
Bro, we gotta take a video tonight.
That shit is crazy though.
And the OLEDs look sick with the red underglow. Sick. The homie Andre pulled up on us with his E92 M3. Rich. With the stars. Damn.
Starstruck, bro.
Get your girl starstruck. That's a good one. This is so loud, guys. Oh my God. Take care.
Y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Daily Vlogmas going on, baby. Stay tuned.
God, bro. That shit is way too loud. Bro, it's so loud. Yup, cold start, let go. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.